Presenting the Noise ColorFit Ultra 2 with 1.78-inch AMOLED display, best-in-class resolution, premium stainless steel body, 60+ sports modes, 100+ watch faces, IP68 waterproof. It comes in color options of navy gold and silver grey, olive green and jet black. It comes with 1.78 AMOLED display. Witness ultra clarity on Noise's largest display on a smartwatch yet. It supports fitness routine and Noise Health Suite from heart health, blood oxygen to sleep cycles. It also has 60+ sports modes, Noise Productivity Suite and World Clock, stocks and calculator. It has stainless steel display support and high-quality stainless steel material. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.